When it comes to working out, you do not need to do anything fancy at all. Any influencers who are touting their specific program or specific exercise routine as the end all be all to get you results is completely lying to you. Yes, their routine is probably good and will probably get you some results. So will literally every routine on the planet. The key here is we just need to literally work our muscles in a balanced fashion. So, 2 to 3 times a week, trying to hit every muscle group, I'd say at least 2 to 3 times a week. And I should say 2 to 3 times a week being your program, and then hitting every muscle 2 to 3 times a week for beginners, for starters. And from there, you can ramp up and don't make it too complicated, guys. Like if you're doing some type of leg movement, some type of upper body pushing movement like push-ups or bench press, then you're doing some like pull downs or rows. That's basically working your entire body there, throwing some core exercises and you're good to go. Like it is not that complicated. You don't need 50 exercises to hit the small head of your bicep in a specific fashion. Yes, if you're like trying to really maximize it, you should try to hit it from different angles. But for most people, it's not worth your time. Get in there, have a quick and good workout, and get out. Go enjoy your day.